What if I told you a single tidal pool could hold secrets about our ocean's future? Tidal pools, those ever-changing collections of ocean water, are vibrant microcosms brimming with life that dances to the rhythm of the sea. Each tide presents a new canvas of colors and textures, revealing anemones unfurling their tentacles, crabs scuttling along the rocky floor, and seaweed swaying in gentle currents. A tidal pool transforms into a stage where nature's intricate drama unfolds. Nestled between land and sea is the intertidal zone, a realm shaped by the push and pull of ocean tides. Here, tidal pools collect water teeming with life during high tide and become refuges for resilient organisms when the water recedes. This delicate environment faces challenges from climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction, making the existence of tidal pools a vital indicator of ocean health. Tidal pools harbor a fraction of the biodiversity present in the vast ocean. Each inhabitant plays a crucial role. Starfish cling to rocks, feeding on clams and mussels, while colorful anemones pulse with life, waiting for unsuspecting prey. Crabs hide beneath the surface, their hard shells showcasing their adaptation to this harsh environment. Threatened ecosystems will disrupt the entire marine food web, underscoring the importance of preserving these microcosms for the health of our oceans. In adversity, tidal pool life exhibits remarkable resilience. The common periwinkle withstands hours of sun exposure, sealing itself to conserve moisture. From vibrant algae to tough mollusk shells, each organism demonstrates unique strategies for coping with fluctuating tidal conditions. These adaptations ensure survival and contribute to the ecosystem's health, creating a web of interdependence essential for life. Research indicates that changes in tidal pool populations can serve as early indicators of larger shifts in the ocean. By monitoring these microcosms, scientists gain valuable insights into climate change, pollution, and habitat loss. The health of tidal pools reflects broader oceanic challenges. Protecting them may be crucial for the health of marine environments. As we delve into tidal pools, we encounter extraordinary inhabitants. Imagine a rocky enclave where glistening water captures sunlight, illuminating a vibrant ecosystem. The air is thick with salt and seaweed, each wave leaving treasures behind. Among the fascinating residents are anemones with tentacles swaying in rhythm, showcasing vivid colors. These fierce predators strike swiftly, ensnaring prey with stinging cells. In their shadow, sea stars exhibit regeneration, a biological marvel essential for survival. They regulate populations by preying on mollusks, ensuring balance within these ecosystems. Diligent periwinkles creep along rocks, adhering tightly to avoid relentless waves and predators. Their grazing on algae prevents overgrowth, maintaining delicate balance. Mesmerizing sea urchins, with spiny exteriors, graze on kelp and other algae but face declining populations due to overfishing. The history of human interaction with tidal pools reveals an ongoing relationship of fascination and exploitation. In ancient cultures, such as the coastal tribes of the Pacific Northwest, tidal pools were revered. They were viewed not merely as sources of sustenance but as spiritual realms, places where the ocean met the land, and the mysteries of life emerged. Archaeological records show that these communities have harvested shellfish and seaweed for thousands of years, their knowledge of tidal rhythms passed down through generations. As we traverse time, the late 19th century witnessed the birth of marine biology as a scientific discipline. Pioneering figures such as Edward Forbes and his exploration of the marine life of the British Isles redefined our understanding of these dynamic ecosystems. Forbes' groundbreaking work in the 1840s suggested that life in the deep sea was not barren but teeming with diverse life forms, challenging the prevailing notions of the time. His findings ignited curiosity, leading to increased study of intertidal zones, including tidal pools that would soon become essential in understanding ecological health. But the passage of time has not been kind to these ecosystems. The onset of industrialization in the 20th century brought pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction. The once thriving tidal pools became victims of human encroachment, their inhabitants under siege. In the 1970s, studies showcasing the drastic decline of various species, including the once abundant sea otters and kelp forests, prompted an urgent call to action. This period marked a turning point, awakening a community of researchers and conservationists determined to protect these fragile habitats. Today, researchers are observing climate change's impacts on tidal pool species distribution. Warmer waters draw tropical species northward, threatening familiar cold-water dwellers. Advanced methods like environmental DNA analysis allow researchers to identify species without direct observation, revealing intricate connections among species within these seemingly isolated pools. For instance, studies conducted along the Pacific coast of North America show a worrying trend. Species such as the ochre sea star have drastically declined due to the impacts of a warming ocean and the spread of sea star wasting disease, a syndrome that has led to mass mortality events. Ocean acidification reshapes ecosystems as rising CO2 levels decrease pH. Shell-forming creatures struggle to maintain their exoskeletons, threatening the food web's foundation. The once vibrant populations of mussels and clams are dwindling, their shells becoming thinner and more fragile, making them more vulnerable to predation. Amidst these challenges, tidal pools serve as living laboratories, reflecting the state of our planet. Each tide brings new life, interactions, and challenges, encapsulating the struggles of life against the odds. As we stand before these tidal pools, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of life. Observing a sea star, we might ponder the ancient wisdom inscribed in nature's design. As biologist Dr. Sylvia Earle once said, "The future of the ocean is the future of life on Earth." Each creature, each ripple, and each tide contributes to the grand narrative of resilience and adaptation, echoing the enduring spirit of life. The responsibility to protect these critical environments grows urgent. The preservation of tidal pools is linked to the broader health of our oceans. Understanding the intricate relationships within these microcosms clarifies the impacts of human actions and the need for conservation. Efforts to monitor and protect tidal pools are gaining momentum, with citizen scientists joining researchers to document changes. Community-driven initiatives foster stewardship and connection to these ecosystems. Through education and awareness, we can inspire a deeper appreciation for tidal pools, encouraging collective action for their future. Reflecting on the extraordinary life within these vibrant pools reveals their fate intertwined with our own. The delicate balance of tides, species interactions, and environmental health holds profound implications for the future of our marine environments. Tidal pools are nature's laboratories, whispering secrets of resilience and adaptation, urging us to listen and act. Each tide leaves an imprint not only on rocks but also on our understanding of the natural world. The beauty of tidal pools lies in their intricate dance of life, reminding us of the fragile connections binding us to the ocean. As we step away from these shores, let us carry forward the awareness that every drop counts in the vast ocean of life.